everyone! Today I made Bubur Ayam and it is chicken rice porridge. Do you want to know how to make this? Keep watching. First we make the rice porridge. You will need 200 grams rice. I use Pandan rice. 1250 milliliter water. For the broth you will need 500 grams chicken. 1 liter water. A half teaspoon salt. For the spices you will need 5 bay leaves, 40 gram fresh galangal or 1 teaspoon galangal powder, 4 pieces candlenuts, 40 grams ginger, 2 lemongrass, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 7 cloves of garlic, 3 for fried garlic, 50 grams shallots, 2 teaspoons chicken stock powder, 2 teaspoons salt, a half teaspoon pepper, 3 tablespoons oil to fry. For the topping you will need finely chopped leek and celery, 125 grams peanuts or soybeans, fried shallots, prawn crackers, sweet soy sauce, optional fresh yao tiao bread, or Indonesians call it cakwe. I also need some eggs. Let's go to the chickens. And here I have 4 boiled eggs. How to make bubur ayam. Wash the rice and boil it with 1250 milliliter water and 2 bay leaves over low heat. Make the broth. Boil the chicken meat with 1 liter water and a half teaspoon salt over low heat. Grind all the spices including salt and pepper, but not the bay leaves, lemongrass and chicken stock powder. Grind it with 2 tablespoons water until it becomes a fine paste. Stir the rice frequently and skim off the chicken's fat lumps for a clear broth. Fry the spices paste with 1 tablespoon oil over medium heat for 2 minutes. Add 3 bay leaves and the bruised lemongrass. Fry it for another 2 minutes. Put the fried paste into the chicken broth. Stir well and put the lid back on the pan. Boil it until the chicken becomes soft. Meanwhile, roast the peanuts over medium heat and let it cool. Then, fry 3 finely chopped garlics with 1 tablespoon oil over medium heat until it becomes golden brown. Take out the chicken from the pan when it's already soft. Fry the chicken with 1 tablespoon oil over medium heat for 1.5 minutes each side. The outsides of the chicken will be a little crispy. Then, shred it into small pieces. For a clean and clear broth, strain it. Pour the fried garlic into the porridge. Then, 2 teaspoons chicken stock powder. And a little of salt to your liking. And now, how to serve bubur ayam. Cut the cakwe bread into small pieces and heat it in the microwave for 20 seconds. Put the porridge in a bowl or a deep plate. Then put the toppings such as the pulled chicken, the cakwe bread, the leek and celery, some fried shallots, the peanuts, the hot broth, and 1 boiled egg. Pour sweet soy sauce into it and if you like, a little bit of chili sauce. Here we go! Tasty bubur ayam. So that's how you make bubur ayam, so let's try it. It's very tasty, so I like it. Did you enjoy this video? Please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching!